Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how you can fix this app has been blocked for your protection in Windows 10 or 11. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, you need to go to registry editor, then you need to look for HKey local machine here, then you need to go to software, then when you're on software you need to look for Microsoft. So look for Microsoft, expand Microsoft, then you need to look for Windows. In Microsoft section. So let's look for Windows. It should be somewhere here in the end. Windows, expand Windows. On Windows, you need to look for current version here, expand this option. And on current version, you need to look for policies. Look for policies. And on policies you need to look for system. And then you should see enable LUA and then change value to 0. After you apply the changes, restart your computer and your problem should be fixed. So that's pretty much it.